Hey guys, this is Zoe from Baichen Medical Devices. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna open the box next to me and teach you guys how to install and use it. So let's go. These are the things in the box. You can see this is a cushion, the battery, and the charger. And this is maybe the joystick in it. So here is our joystick. And this is the wheelchair. Now I will teach you guys how to install it. So that's all the things in our box. Now I will teach you guys how to install it. First, I need to teach you guys how to install a joystick. You can see here is our joystick. And you need to align this joystick into this empty slot. Just insert in. And here is a screw. You just tighten it up. So this is done. And how to install a battery is very easy. The battery, you can put it at the back of the joystick in this position. You just put like this. So it's done. It's very easy for you to install it. We also have two rear wheels. You need to install in these two positions. You just like this, align it with this slot. So you can see it's already done. This two is a cushion cover. You just need to paste it just like this. So the wheelchair is already installed. You can see the design is very convenient for you to install it. So now I will introduce the wheelchair's functions for you. The first part is about material. This wheelchair adopts a magnesium alloy, and it has a very good corrosion resistance. And the net weight is only 16 kilograms, so it's very light. So here is our joystick, and this button is a power switch. You just turn on, it means the wheelchair is open. And here is a horn to warn the pedestrian in front of you. This 2K is adjust speed. This is deceleration key. And this is the acceleration key. This pole is used to control the direction. If you want to go forward like this and back forward or making a circle. So it suits yourself. These wheelchairs are equipped with a lithium battery. The advantage of this battery is that it has a lightweight and it has a long service time, and its install is very convenient. Just like this, push this button. So like this. And it has two ways to charge it. You can see here is a socket. You just connect the charger with it. This is one way to charge the battery. The second way you need to charge is there is a charger socket under the joystick. You just need to connect it with a charger, and just like this, so you can charge the wheelchair. So the design is very convenient for you to use it and charge it. This tripod is a wheelchair's model, and it's very small. You can see it. So let's say it has a lightweight and long service life, and the noise is very small, so it won't annoy people when you use it. Next, I will teach you guys how to fold the wheelchair. So here is a hole under the cushion, and you just need to pull it out like this and use a little effort like this, so it's folded now. And take out the paddle. So let me lift it for you guys, show it. So it's very light, right? So that's all for today. Thank you for your watching. See you next time, but don't forget to follow up and thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave in our comment sections and we will answer it for you. So see you next time. Bye bye.